Hi everybody, this is Aingeal Rosa Grady, and I'm happy to introduce my new book that just came out, hot off the press, called Advanced Tarot Spreads. This is a work in progress I've been working on for all the 35 years that I was an active tarot reader. Not so much anymore because I mainly do Akashic Records, but this book is a collection of spreads that I received from Spirit during my time as a tarot reader, and also spreads that I've made up myself over the course of the years. So what we have involved in the book, and this is for people who have been readers for a while, because some of the spreads require a lot of deep intuition and contemplation. But we've got 22 spreads in here. We have intuitive exercises with color, number, and symbol. We have a manifestation spread. We have a prosperity spread. We've got a chakra spread. We check on the week ahead spread. We have a spread for uniting both hemispheres of your brain, finding your optimal career, understanding a situation in your life, a spread on your physical health, information about your heart, another one that deals with your thoughts, emotions, and feelings and how they're affecting your life. We have a spread with the elements, fire, earth, air, and water, part 1 and part 2. We have an inner child spread. We have creating your own spread. We have an earth change spread. We have another spread that's just about money. We have an exploring grief spread. Bonus spread about the dimensional shift or split we're going through right now and what's required to move into the new paradigm. We include a free DNA meditation in the back and information on how to contact me. Okay, so that's what's included in here, and as you can see, it's quite comprehensive. Full pictures, easy to read, and so we'll hope you enjoy it. Available on Amazon and all good bookstores. So you could just go to Amazon.com if you wish and order it from there. Comes in ebook form as well, and you can also have it be downloaded to your phone. So upward and onward. There's my new book.